Feel the purple light showering on top of your head, and it's cleansing your entire body with purple light. You can feel your entire body now sparkling with purple light. Now you are connected with the higher divine energy. As we know, Panch Indriyas, five senses, are very much connected with our higher divine energy. So Panch Indriyas and your Panch Bhutas, five elements, are connected with your Panchalinga. The first one which we talked about, Jal Linga. Feel your entire body vibrating with water element. Just imagine you are sitting down the waterfall and Shiva is blessing you with water, showering his love with water, splashing water on top of your head. You can feel the water gushing on your entire body, from your face to your hands to your chest, abdomen, your thighs and your back. Feel the Aap Linga, Jal Linga element. Now the second one is Brahmand Linga. Feel the entire Brahmand, entire universe. Feel that the entire universe is in your lap. Visualize the Shiv Ling on top of your head, and it's absorbing the entire universe in the Shiv Ling. Stars, planets, galaxy, everything is included in that Brahmand Ling. Now the third ling is Gyan Ling. Feel the space on top of your head. Feel the space getting generated in your entire chakras, moving from your Shastra chakra to your Agya chakra. Feel your chakras. Feel the space getting created in your chakras. First was Apalinga, second was Brahmandaling, third was your Jnanaling, absorbing beautiful wisdom, knowledge, and sharing that knowledge to your community, to your friends, to your relatives, as it's getting benefit not just to you but to entire community. Always remember one thing: whatever the knowledge, good knowledge you receive, spread it to your entire community. The more you give, the more you're able to take it. The more you share the knowledge, the more you feel lighter. The more you share your wisdom, the more happiness you see on others' face. And that is the true life purpose. In any field, any profession, anything, share your knowledge. Let the knowledge shower on each and every linger, on each and every mind, with purity, with pure intentions and goodwill. The fourth ling is your Shakti ling. Shakti ling is your Dharti ling, connected to your Panchabhutas. Dharti ling. Shakti ling is the gravitational pull. Feel the energy. Feel the gravitational energy. You may feel heaviness or lightness. Enjoy. And the fifth one is your Agni ling, which is also Shivling. Agni ling, the fire generated, which is connected to Shivling. These are the elements which we work on our body. Panchabhutas and your Panch Tattvas are all interconnected, and this is the Shivling which is getting connected from top of your head till tip of your toes. Feel it across your body. Your whole body now has become one. There is a yoga, union of your mind, body and your soul. Just feel it, feel the sensations, feel the vibrations happening across your entire body. From top of your head till tip of your toes. Feel the linga which is connected to your your mind, your soul. Without body, mind and soul, to work on mind and soul is just impossible. So let's thank Shiva, thank the higher supreme energy to help you come into the human body. And the best part is to be much spiritually connected. The more you get spiritually connected, the more you will meet those people who are spiritually connected and which will help you in the journey of your spirituality. People will come to you, only those spiritual people which will help you in your journey. There will be times when you will see that few people are leaving your life behind. And this is what? Because your divine energy, your energies are not getting connected with that energy. So you will leave those people. And this is called detachment. Shivling teach us that detachment. You're leaving behind those energies and moving, progressing with higher divinity. Shivling, the Panchabhuta and Panchatattva help you to establish that higher divine energy. And on this auspicious night of Mahashivaratri, you will feel lot of connectivity. Today you will observe you are much connected to your body, mind and soul than any other day, because the energies are supporting you to meet up the requirements of your mind and soul. Higher divine energy wants you to grow, prosper, succeed, manifest. Divine energy is ready you to bounce back and give it back to the society what you have taken from the society. It's a time to give back to the entire universe what you have received when you were born. It's just like when we were born, there were so many things which we couldn't do it because we were helpless. But the moment our brain started developing, we are able to do so many things. So that's the time where we have to give back to the society. That's called depth. Rin chukana. Depth. We have to clear off our karma blockages completely and give back to the society. And Shivling this Shivratri night will teach you, if you keep your spine straight whole night, if you try to keep your spine straight whole night, you will see a lot of changes happening with you. Just be in that meditative zone. You will feel your body has become like a paper, light in weight. At this time, I want to just share a small story, not a story, it's the incident what happened with me 2 years back. Last year I was pregnant. I was in my 8th month of my pregnancy, and I was in this time I was in Vipassana. I was meditating 12 hours in my 8th month of pregnancy. So I'm talking about 2 years back when I was meditating, and after 4 a.m. my ears were banging. This Karuna auntie knows, like she's here, so she knows that 2 years back because she's my student, so she knows the incident. So 2 years back, 4 a.m. I started, my ears were banging with Om Namah Shivaya sound. I didn't recite, maybe I would have recited 11 times or 21 times, I cannot remember. But the Om Namah Shivaya sound was coming from Kedarnath, from caves. From that caves, I can hear that sound. The saints were continuously saying. So, when you are connected with the higher divine energy, automatically your divinity is so high that you hear only those kind of sounds coming from the far off distance. And that was the best feeling, the best thing happened ever to me. And from that day I decided that I will serve something to the mankind, something for the well-being for others. I will not keep the knowledge just to me. I know many people have so much of wisdom, but they are not able to share it. Like they don't know what is the life purpose, how to do about it. But because of meditation, you will realize the importance, that it's very important to share your wisdom, your knowledge to others. You will feel your entire body is getting lighter, becoming like a paper ball. And this moment is just amazing. We are going to now chant Om Namah Shivaya. Do not move your body, just stay as it is and feel the vibrations getting generated in your body. Inhale. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva. Feel your breath moving in and out. Is your breath getting deeper, slower? Just observe. Observe your thoughts. How's it? Can you feel some space in between your thoughts? Observe the state of your mind. How's your mind now? Is it calm, happy, relaxed, energetic, excited to stay awake and feel the higher divine energy? Just observe. Observe your back, how much you're feeling the warmness. And with this, slowly rub your palms, make it warm as much as you can. Slowly keep it on your eyes and let the healing hands move across your body. Wherever you feel pain, just keep it there for a longer time and release the pain from that area. And slowly open your eyes, and you can even open your camera. So how are you feeling, all of you? Can you open your camera, please? Okay, I think everybody's sleeping or what? नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Zana, you okay?
Can I share something?
Yes, I really want to know.
Yeah, actually today I couldn't go to the temple and do Abhishek.
Yeah.
Like I was feeling very guilty, but now with the Omkar sound, Om Namah Shivaya, I felt that I am sitting in the mandir and doing Abhishek and really feeling very good.
Yeah, actually our body itself is a temple. We have to, feel like that, and that's really good, Zana. Awesome. That's amazing. Hi Seema, how are you feeling?
Really nice. I really enjoyed the session.
Yeah, actually
I felt really good, like
yeah.
chanting also.
Yeah, so the thing was, I went a little ahead, like I stretched almost 1.5 hours, right? And I'm sure you guys didn't even realize that it was, or not 1.5 hours, but you can say 70 minutes. Yeah, we started at 9:15 and it's 25. So like 70 minutes non-stop you stayed in meditation, and that's an amazing thing. You guys can do so much now in meditation. Just amazing. Yeah, Janvi, will you like to say something?
मैम थैंक यू आज के अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस के लिए. जब मंत्रा चैंटिंग कर रही थी मैं आपके साथ, तो लिटरली पूरे हॉल में आवाज एको हो रही थी. मेरे बच्चे अंदर से आए देखने के लिए कि मम्मी को क्या हो गया.
That's amazing. I wish Pankaj.
हाँ जी.
I wish Pankaj would be with you. He would have really enjoyed because he is so much into all this.
जी मैम, जब वो वापस आएंगे तो मैं उन्हें बताऊंगी ये सब.
Sure. Okay, Karuna auntie, you want to say something? Hi Ritu, how are you feeling? You want to share your experience?
Yeah, I would love to share my experience today. Of course, with this meditation, I could really had an echo today with Om Namah Shivaya. And today evening at 6 o'clock also I sat for meditation for an hour. really that feeling was amazing. I mean, I could feel the vibration. My body became so light,
Yeah.
and I had my dinner very early today because I wanted to sit for longer hours for meditation. So 6 to 7 also I sat today, and right now with you, it was an amazing experience. Really, ma'am, I enjoyed, and I could feel Shiva around me.
Yeah, yeah. So the
Yes.
reason behind doing the chanting at the end was because I wanted first to get into completely into into your own I wanted you to scan yourself first, and then when you put out the vibration with the help of chanting, it gives a very unique effect. Frankly saying, I'm not a person of more of chanting. I like to be in a silent zone and feel the vibrations. But today, I don't know, somewhere I felt like let me do with Om Namah Shivaya, and I'm so glad you guys really enjoyed that vibration, and that was
Yes,
really.
exactly.
So I think it's the intuitions, the energies which got connected with you all. Like at this time I have to do this. I never plan my any sessions. I'm saying you. If it's like instinct. If I say I want to do rainbow yoga, so I just say it. But then it comes with your energy. What I have to do. I never plan. And I'm so glad you went really deeper inside. I think that's a amazing 21 days challenge के पहले ही तुम लोग तो एकदम rock कर दिए एकदम. That's just amazing. And I want you to sit for longer time today, as long as you can with your spine straight. Believe me, the coming year, like the 21, at the end of 21, you'll be really thankful for everything. Your year will be just amazing. If your year is going good, but it will be just amazing. You will feel the entire manifestations happening on you. Believe me.
मैम आई हैव वन क्वेरी.
बोलो.
कल आपने कहा था कि कौन सा कलर डोमिनेंट है ये देखिए, तो
Yeah.
मुझे तो अपने में येलो कलर ही दिखा, तो उसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है?
सो येलो कलर, आपको अच्छी बात बोलूँ कि बुरी बात बोलूँ, दोनों में से कौन सी बात
दोनों
बोलूं?
दोनों दोनों बोलिए.
Okay, so the good thing is कि you are a person of Surya Nadi. Your body needs lot of energy. You need energy, and I know you are my student, so उसके लिए मुझे पता है. बट अदरवाइज तुम्हारी बॉडी में एनर्जी की कमी है, इसके लिए तुम्हें येलो लाइट कंटिन्यूसली दिख रही थी, वो डोमिनेट कर रही थी. और दूसरी बात है, येलो लाइट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स. तो वो थॉट्स के ऊपर तुम्हें काम करना पड़ेगा. जो तुम्हारे विचार कंटिन्यूस आते हैं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही उसे स्टॉप करना है, पर उससे डाइवर्ट करो अपनी ब्रीदिंग पर. सो दैट वाज लाइक वंडरफुल.
जी मैम.
Yeah.
वो द डे आई मेट यू फर्स्ट,
Yeah.
तब से ही डाइवर्शन शुरू हो गया है.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Seema, which was your prominent dominating yesterday? When you did?
येलो ही था.
हाँ नहीं हाँ जानवी, मैं सीमा को पूछ रही थी. सीमा, जन्ना, रितु, anybody can just unmute and say.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, just a moment. Yeah, Ritu, tell me, which was dominating for you?
White color was dominating.
Yeah, you need a lot of peace in your life.
White color was the most dominating.
Yeah.
Blue color was a glimpse. Yellow was also a glimpse, but throughout until the end it was white, which
Yeah.
was dominating.
So really, you need to work on. You need mental peace. And I know you, so yeah, it's connected. White is connected with peace. Yes, Seema.
Actually, yesterday in the session I could not hear clearly, so I
Yeah.
was just focusing on my breathing.
Acha, no problem. So I have recorded. I will be today. I'm just going to. Can you mute because I'm hearing my own echo. Seema, can you mute?
Yeah,
Yeah, can you mute?
I can
I'm
hear you.
Yeah. So I have recorded that session. I'm going to share you the link. You do it again tomorrow, and then you tell me, huh? I'm going to share it in a while. Anyways, I'm going to be awake, so I will do something like this. Yeah, Zarna.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Zarna, tell me.
Yesterday I also missed your session. So if
Ah.
possible, can you send me recording?
Yes. I'm going to send you the link. I'm just going to do it in next 10 minutes. And then
Okay.
you do it today, tomorrow, whenever you want. आज नहीं करना है तो but you चलते फिरते रहो because you do a lot of meditation today. So I want you to now
Okay.
walk so that you feel lighter, and do it tomorrow morning, or just put up the earphones and do it. So then you
Okay.
can tell me, and then I
And
will help you.
and I have one query also.
Yeah, tell me.
You said like tonight we have to awake. Like we
Yeah.
have to meditate, keep our spine erect and like meditate.
Yeah.
Or
Okay. So the thing is कि now you are done like almost like 70 minutes meditation. So now you walk for a while. If you want to eat something, like now I'm feeling little hungry, so I'm going to eat something like a fruit or something or nuts, and then I will walk little bit, and then again I will sit down, and then I will meditate. And the third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to Sadhguru. He is live now.
okay.
So he has
Okay.
this music and all. It's so amazing. The South Indian music, na, that Kathak music and the Bharatnatyam music. It's so soothing with the dham dham bells, and so I'm going to listen to that. And he's going to do it till 6 a.m. So
Okay.
so you can just stand and listen, and continuously you can keep it on. You can with your earphones on. I'm going to do that. Like it's not possible to meditate full night, right? Our body may hurt. And then फिर कल सुबह उठ के काम भी तो करना है.
Yeah.
So it will be too much. So you can just listen to that soothing music, and I think it's the best time to be with just yourself tonight. I'm sure you will love it. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Karuna auntie, you want to say something? Karuna auntie. So Karuna auntie is one of my very old student, like almost 6-7 years. So I was talking. Yeah, Janvi, tell me.
हाँ, मैं एक आपसे शेयर करना चाहती थी, एक्साइटेड थी कि सदगुरु ईशा फाउंडेशन से मैं भी कनेक्टेड हूँ 1-1.5 साल से.
Okay.
मेरे 2 कजिन्स ईशा वॉलंटियर्स हैं, तो
Okay.
उनके वजह से मैंने इनर इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स भी किया था लास्ट
Okay.
ईयर.
Mhm.
तो लास्ट ईयर भी मैं उनकी शिवरात्रि फेस्टिवल अटेंड किया था, और अभी भी 6 बजे से शुरू हुई है हमारे टीवी पे.
हाँ, टीवी पे
तो
चालू है.
जैसे ही
हाँ.
मैंने आपका कल देखा ना वो वीडियो, तो तब से ही उत्सुक थी आपको बताने के लिए, बट मौका ही नहीं मिला.
Yeah, so that's really good. And you're feeling good now? You're okay? I mean, your health is okay now?
हाँ जी, एक्चुअली सुबह में मेरा बैक बहुत हर्ट कर रहा था,
Okay.
मतलब काफी स्टिफनेस लग रही थी, तो मैं सोचा आपको बता दूं, इन केस फिर मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगी आसन वगैरह, फिर
No
वही
problem. No
ब्रेथ वर्क किया था मैंने सुबह में.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. So if you want to stay back, you can, or otherwise we will meet tomorrow, and you can
Okay,
continue. Bye. And good night. Shivratri, Mahashivratri. Chalo. Bye. Take care. Bye. Namaste. See you all. Bye.
बाय.